What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. You guys want to say hello to my new friend? Let me grab him just one sec. Come here, little buddy. He's climbing a tree, so I let him come hang out with me for today. I'm not sure his name, but he's super cute. Let me get an autofocus on here. Oh, sorry guys. Here we go. Hey, look at the camera. Look here. Aw, so cute. I'm gonna let him out. It's not my cat, so we're gonna go over ADA, guys. Finally, we've broken out from our slumber, which is absolutely beautiful to see. Currently, we're sitting at 235. We're up about 9.9% on the day. We're sitting at market cap of 76.78 billion. 24-hour volume 7.29 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, you can sign up to the world's fastest crypto growing app. Recently partnered with Matt Damon. Incredible commercial you can watch on their website as well as on TV. They have their Visa card for a free cashback in crypto, free Spotify, Netflix, Prime, $25 in CRO, their native coin, which has been exploding. So we came down to two of our buy zones for ADA, which brought our average price down to about $1.97. So that was a juicy trade opportunity all the way up to this take profit zone of about 20%. We broke out of this ascending triangle double bottom and we met that target. Now we are getting a bit overextended here on the 4-hour EMA, so we may see a little bit of pullback. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring this buy zone up to this level of resistance from this double bottom. All this support in this area could definitely act as support once again if ADA were to roll back over, and then I'll keep the rest of the buy zones the same. I'll actually drop in some price targets here, $2.11, $1.89. Now I don't see us coming back down underneath $1.89. I think we bottomed out for ADA, but just in case, 174. With the dollar cost average strategy, you use equal equity at each buy zone, brings down the average price, and you ride the slingshot back up. If you're trading with leverage, you have to double your margin with each buy zone. So I wanted to pop over to the daily time frame. So you can see here, we've basically bottomed out. We got overextended. We came up to the 1.272 extension. We came back down to the 0.786, and we're looking strong for continuation. We're just printing the bullish cross on the MACD on the daily, which is a huge indication of a pump here. As you can see here, we had the bullish cross, we pumped. We had the bullish cross right here, we pumped. I'm gonna scroll back a little bit. We had the bullish cross right here and we pumped for ADA. So beautiful signal on the daily. It's the bullish cross of the MACD. Now we do have our Elliott wave theory. I'm just gonna let the cat out because he no longer wants to be here. All right, little buddy, you're free. Take care. Thanks for coming. Until next time. All right, toodaloo. All right. So we have our Elliott wave theory pulled from the bottom of our bull run. So we have impulsive wave 1, corrective wave 2, our massive impulsive wave 3. We've had our corrective wave 4 and our impulsive wave 5 taking us to our bull run target, at least my bull run target for ADA at about $6.11. If we have a blow off top, could bring us up to about $7.87 for ADA. But it's just a prediction, guys. You never know what's going to happen. We could go all the way up to the 2.618 at $10. You never know. So I wanted to jump into this one as well on the daily. I pulled our Fibonacci here from September 1st. We went through our September crash down to our swing low, and we're just starting to break out. We're hitting some resistance on the 0.5. And you know what happens, guys? We get back above the golden ratio coming in at 252. That's when we can head back up to where we started, which is the previous all-time high at 310, and the 1.272 extension for ADA at about 358. So in the meantime, guys, do target $2.11. If we do roll over here, if we just consolidate and maybe we create a little bit of a bull pennant here, a bull flag, you can draw it out here, see some consolidation for ADA. What you can do is draw out your flagpole if you want to trade this breakout. Just be careful because we are overbought here. But in a full-blown bull cycle, you'll see coins stay overbought for quite a while. And that would bring us back above this level of resistance that I had dropped in. You can see resistance in this area. Previous level of support at 255 would bring us up to about 269. And if we do lose $2.11, do target 189. I don't think it's likely though. But beautiful opportunity to enter ADA at $2.11 if you're looking to dollar cost average. Not financial advice. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just a young guy from Canada. And as an investor, I think it's an incredible opportunity as well. We're just about to have the bullish cross. We've bottomed out. We're just having the bullish cross of the MACD on the daily. I'll pull it up one more time. Hope the pets are healthy, guys. The animals that have come visited me seem to be extremely healthy and vibrant, which is always exciting in my opinion. So we can see here we're having the bullish cross of the daily MACD, so that's a beautiful signal as well. So not financial advice, but I'm loading the bags for ADA. All right, guys, and our bull run targets here, which are coming in at about 629, and if we have a blow off top, I'll drop that in as well to the 2.272, coming in at about 798 for ADA. That's it for this one, guys. Shout out to the Discord, over 1,000 members. This is a private conversation. We're posting chart patterns. We're talking all things crypto. We have new people joining every single day. It's the price of a coffee, guys. You really can't beat it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Much love. Take care.